Thanks for watching. Today, we're going to do a little penetration test with 350 Legend ammo. We have some white box Winchester, full metal jacket, needs 145 grain, traveling at 2,250 feet per second. Browning, 155 grain BXR rapid expansion ammo. These are traveling at 2,300 feet per second. It's a Winchester super suppressed, 255 grain Subsonics, moving up 1,060 feet per second. And lastly, some Winchester Defender, 160 grain, bonded hollow point, moving at 2,070 feet per second. We're going to test all four of these types on some computer paper, check out the penetration, and at the end of the video, we're going to use a hunting ammo on a water jug at super slow motion. Stay tuned. Alright, first we're going to use the Winchester full metal jacket, see how far it goes. We got a GoPro down there recording, paper spaced out a little bit, so we can try to see in slow motion the bullet traveling from one ream to another. Here we go. Let's go. Alright, got a nice entry hole right here in the first one. Look, the back's pretty nice actually. God, I'll blow this one apart too. Got a little bit of the copper jacket right there in front of the second one. It's probably all lead powder. Split it up pretty nice. Just barely went into the second one. There's some lead right there. Other than that, it didn't do nothing to it. So I went through two and just hit the second one. Alright, let's try some hunting rounds. Alright, next we got the Browning 155 grain with a rapid expansion hunting tip. Let's go check her out. Alright, so we got a nice entry hole. Got a little more aggressive exit hole. You can see all the way through, that's pretty cool. And on the second one, got rather aggressive entry hole. No exit hole. Let's see how far it went. Everything's crumbling apart. Ooh, I see a little bit of the jacket. Ooh, a little warm. I'm not finding any big pieces yet. Oh. Ooh, there we go. That's just... another small piece. There we go. Broke apart very well. So it probably went 80%, maybe a little less, all the way through that second ream. So it penetrated just a little farther than the full metal jacket, which is surprising. But we've got a defense round to find out how it does. Let's try it. Alright, so the hunting round did pretty good, I was surprised. But now, we're going to try this Winchester Defender. It's a 160 grain bonded hollow point. Let's see how it does. try it out. Yep, there's a good entry weld. It's a pretty violent exit out of this paper. It tore up the front of this a lot more than the hunting round. It didn't go through. I think it just broke the back. Yeah, it just broke the back. Ooh, there we go. That's not hot. I think that's just compacted paper. Small piece of the jacket right there. It's paper. I was hoping I'd find more of this intact. I don't know if maybe the paper's too rough and it breaks up more than ballistic gelatin. Definitely not penetrating as far as I thought it would. There's no copper jacket at all. It just happened to break the paper. So I went through 1.5. Not quite as far as the hunting round, but being a defending type of ammo, you don't want over penetration. Well, also last is the Subsonic suppressed Winchester. Let's try that out. Alright, now we're down to the last round. This is a Winchester super suppressed, 255 grain. Going subsonic. I don't think it's going to penetrate very far, but we'll find out. That was rough. Got an intro to the first one. Went through the first one, I'm a little surprised. Ooh, I see a lot of the copper jacket. Actually, it's all breaking apart. Look, that went in sideways. Ooh, that's nice. That's hot. I'm actually surprised it stayed together that well. That's a keeper. About 1 1/4, 1 1/3. That surprised me. I figured this wouldn't penetrate nowhere near as far as the other ones. Huh. Learn something new every day. Alright. Well, we got one more thing to try. Let's try it. Alright. We got the water jug set up. You want to shoot with this Browning BXR rapid expansion bullet. Let's try it goes in slow motion. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was fun with Milk Jug. I'm quite surprised about the penetration of the 350 Legend. If you guys like what you saw here, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see me do a review on this gun or suppressor, let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.